Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, why? Come on, my gift to you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We're welcoming you in. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing the Takeover BOXYCHARM Premium Box, okay? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with BOXYCHARM Premium, I will leave all the information down below, as well as all of the other tiers of BOXYCHARM as well. Now, this particular box right here, as I said previously, this is a takeover box. And everything in this box is by NORVINA and ANASTASIA, okay? Well, ANASTASIA Beverly Hills, okay? So I am excited to check this out and see what's inside. I'm very, very excited. You know, they're trying to come back. Still haven't taken care of that first thing, but they're coming back as a whole, I guess. All right, so the theme, of course, is BOXYCHARM times NORVINA ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. Okay, and on the back is our description of everything that is in this box. So let's jump right in. Now, we had an opportunity to choose a product, actually to choose two, but I only chose one. And the one that I chose is the ABH NORVINA Collection Palette, and this is Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. Is a professional grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe sized high performance shades with a stunning autumn themed color story. Get even more NORVINA curated shades with this limited edition pro palette and create your most artistic makeup looks yet. Okay. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $80. $80. But just based on what it says, the fact that it's 25 shades, and here is what the inside packaging looks like, just like the outside. And let's see what the palette looks like. This is the reason that I chose this. All right, massive mirror, massive, massive, massive mirror, okay? But wait till you see these shades. How about that? Okay, so this is the reason why I chose this particular one, because you have a mixture of beautiful colors that you can create some amazing looks with. With that being said, this one has a 18-month shelf life. It is cruelty-free and it is vegan. All right, and that is item number 1. The second item is the Hydrating Oil. And this one says, it is a lightweight blend of Mediterranean botanical extracts that deliver antioxidants and nourishing hydration to the skin. This complexion boosting facial oil leaves you with glowing, radiant skin. softening the lines and improve tone and texture. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $45. And this one also has a 12-month shelf life. I love this type of packaging. Look at that. And it says this complexion boosting oil is infused with a Balkans inspired ingredient blend for a beautifully hydrated complexion. Hydrating oils feature oils derived from jojoba, borage, blackcurrant, rosehip, meadow foam, and aromatic lavage leaf for radiant skin. Apply several drops morning and evening to face and neck. And it's non-comedogenic. It doesn't clog your pores. Okay. So, I'm not ready to open it yet because I just opened the serum just a little while ago. So, that is item number 2. Very nice. Item number 3 is the loose highlighter. Okay? And it says it is a shimmering loose highlighter powder with highly reflective iridescent pearls that deliver an intense sparkly payoff. The easy to blend formula has a soft velvety texture and leaves you with a silky finish. Okay, manufacturer's suggested retail price is $25, and it says it creates those high reflective looks. All right, now this one has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a 0.21 ounce size. This packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. The shade that I have is called Peach Fizz. It has a sealed top on it. Wow, look at that. Even look at the bottom. Okay. I don't think I have anything like this. Not this type of shade. I have lots and lots of highlighters, but don't think I have one anything like this. So I'm just going to pull it back a little because I want to try it out. Okay. Ooh, that is so gorgeous. That would look amazing on your décolleté. Oh my God, that is gorge, 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 gorge. That I really like. Have to hide this one from my daughter. Definitely have to hide this one from my daughter. Oh, it even matches my brush. It almost looked like it was a set. Okay, then the next item that I have is, this is an all-in-one triangular tipped retractable pencil to define, detail, and fill in eyebrows. Featuring 3 different size edges, this pencil delivers ultimate application, versatility with ease, while custom spoolie and blend for a natural looking finish. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $23. Now, the shade that I have, yes, is dark brown. Okay, and this one has a 24-month shelf life. Not bad. I need to take a look at some other pencils because this one seems to be larger. Okay, this is what the tip looks like. Okay, can you see that? It's triangular like it states. Let's see. Okay, so you can choose if you want like a nice bold line or just a soft line. Okay, so here we go right up at the top. All right, so I do like this one. I go through brow products so fast. Okay, and it has a nice big spoolie. All right, I like. And then, oh, I thought this was the last one. I have two more. The next one I have is a liquid lipstick, and this one is a full pigmented liquid formula that dries down to a weightless matte finish for smudge-proof wearability and long-lasting color. This comfortable formula delivers full coverage wear that creates the appearance of fuller lips. Come on, y'all, you already know. Do I look like I need these to be any fuller? No. But it says it lasts all day. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. The shade that I have, is called Roxanne. Roxanne, not Roxanne. Okay, now this doesn't look like the packaging. This is what it says the shade looks like, okay? But this is what I pulled out. So you know, oh, okay. Excusez-moi. Here we go. And, ooh, nice. Very nice. I'm excited to use this one. How about that? Okay. And then the last item that I have, I guess my daughter, I'll be seeing her. This one is the false lashes in the style Lengthy. Okay, and it says Lengthy is a set of full strip synthetic lashes with major length and dramatic volume. False lashes by Anastasia Beverly Hills are premium quality lashes that provide comfortable wear and deliver maximum impact. Okay. And it says because these lightweight, high-quality lashes are easy to apply and adhere to the lash line in seconds, adds volume, length, and thickness to your lash look with ease, making mascara optional. Okay. Not bad. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $12. Can you see what those look like? Okay. Y'all already know. I have been prolonging last month's create and review because there is a set of lashes in there. However, those are magnetic, so I am definitely going to try them. Okay, so that's the last product. Now, I would like to go back to the palette because I do want to swatch some shades. Okay, I didn't want to do that in the beginning. I figured we would wait till the end. So we are going to swatch. Ooh, this is a beautiful orange. Wow. I love this burgundy wine shade. These things are incredibly pigmented. This is amazing. I didn't do a shimmer. I did all mattes. Look at that right there. Okay, let's do this. Woo. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Okay, now this yellow, I want to try a little bit extra. This one is a mustard. There is also a neon yellow. Okay, this one is definitely buildable. So I do like that. I definitely like that. I am so here for this. This one I'm definitely excited to do. Definitely. So, okay, I'm going to have to be careful what I touch because I tried to wipe it off. Whew, quite pigmented with great staying power. All right, so that is our Norvina palette. Now, I am very excited to have gotten this takeover box. I like the products that are inside. There are, if anything, just probably the one item that I wouldn't wear, which is this. I'm gonna try and get it into a giveaway if I can get it in there before my daughter gets here. So that's where these lashes will be going, into a giveaway. All right, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BOXYCHARM Premium Takeover Box today. These are the contents of the takeover box. And down below you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price for every item combined on the inside. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.